Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I'm sharing my first trekking adventure. So let's get started. Our adventure began at the meeting point where I met my group. Most of them were strangers, except for one of my female Filipino friend who joined me. For a person like me who is an introvert, it literally felt like a little intimidating at first, but the friendly atmosphere it quickly made me feel at ease. With her instructor leading the way, we started the trek. The trail was a mix of dense jungles, overgrown bushes, and uneven terrain. It wasn't easy, but the challenge added to the excitement. We took a few water breaks along the way, and during those moments, I got to know my fellow trekkers. It was fascinating to hear their stories and share few laughs. The climb became steeper as we got closer to the top. We could literally hear birds chirping and the rustling of leaves. It was like stepping into a completely different world. The anticipation kept building with each step. I remember looking around and thinking, this is why people love trekking. It's not just the destination, but the journey itself. By the time we were near the campsite, I couldn't wait to see what awaited us at the top. And we were halfway there. And then hustling around for few more minutes, we arrived. And wow, it was beyond anything I imagined. At first, sunset wasn't visible at all, and my own was also totally covered in clouds. But we had a belief that we would for sure get the view. So we rested for a while, and it was time to set up the tent. But as the sun set, the clouds cleared, revealing its perfect cone shaped active Mayon volcano. Yes, she was out, the beauty. It was like nature decided to give us the best show possible. We stood there, taking it all in. You know, some moments leave you speechless, and this was definitely one of them. Everyone in the group couldn't stop talking about how magical it felt to be there, surrounded by so much beauty. But, as we started, it began to rain. And as beginners, me and my friend, we struggled to get our tent up. But thankfully, our guide helped us out by adding a tarpaulin to keep us dry. And then we headed for dinner. So for dinner, we had warm mushroom soup, eggs, cordon bleu, green beans, and rice. It was such a treat after the tiring trek. The best part of the evening was sitting together as a group. We started with simple introductions, and before we knew it, we were laughing, sharing stories, and having deep conversation under the stars. You know, it's amazing how trekking begins and it brings people closer in such a short time.
Gagayahin din niya ng mga anak ninyo.
In the future.
Ayoko magkaanak.
The next morning, we woke up at 5 a.m. to something truly magical, the sunrise. And there it was, the Mayon volcano, completely clear and in all its glory. Every detail of its cone was visible, and it looked so majestic. It was one of those moments where you just pause and feel grateful to witness something so beautiful. And as our everyday ritual, we enjoyed our coffee while soaking in the view. And of course, it was the perfect time for pictures, which is the most important. Everyone was in high spirits, and we captured so many group shots and the candid moments. Then we headed for breakfast, which was obviously proper Filipino breakfast with hot dogs, eggs, rice in the morning, yes, and salads. After breakfast, it was time to fold back our tents. By 10 am, we were all ready to head down, and so we began our descent. But this time, unlike last time, the trail seemed easier, probably because we were going downhill and we were already familiar with the path. It approximately took us about an hour to reach back to the meeting point, and by the time we got there, everyone was relieved and happy. We shared some final laugh, drank plenty of water, and said our goodbyes. But we didn't leave empty handed. We left with new friends, unforgettable memories, and a newfound love for trekking. Yes, the trip wasn't just about the views. It was about stepping out of my comfort zone, embracing challenges, and cherishing the beauty of life. That's it for the videos. Thank you for watching till the end. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.